Hello and welcome to the short video on Kupo's Tethermate data cable anchor port, anchor adapter, and V-mount battery holder. Have you ever cursed the tether gods when you went to shoot and the images didn't transfer to the computer because you lost your connection? If you haven't, then you've not spent enough time shooting tethered. Tethered shooting is when you connect your camera to the computer with a cable and having the images pop up full size on your monitor as you are shooting. Worse than losing your connection is the potential catastrophic damage to your laptop by the cable yanking it from the platform and you watch in slow motion horror as your laptop goes tumbling to the ground. Kupo has two simple solutions that will save you from ripping your hair out as well as your cables. First, we'll check out the data cable anchor port for Tethermate. The Tethermate data cable anchor port has two 17mm holes on the side to secure the cable, and two smaller holes on top with two screws to mount it under your Tethermate. Let's mount this little guy and anchors away. Simply use a 2.5mm hex key to attach the anchor to the corresponding holes under the Tethermate with the provided screws. Thread your data cable into one hole and out the adjacent hole and plug it into your computer's data port of choice. As you can see, when I tug on the camera side of the cable, there is no movement whatsoever on the cable plugged into the data port of your computer. Now for the data cable anchor adapter. This adapter is constructed from black anodized aluminum alloy. It features two channels across the width of the adapter that can accommodate wider diameter tether cables and two channels across the length that can accommodate cables of a narrower diameter. A 1/4-20 screw on top of the adapter for mounting it to the bottom of the Tethermate or any other plate with a 1/4-20 female thread, and a 1/4-20 female thread on the bottom to accept any device or accessory with a 1/4-20 screw, and a knurled thumb wheel to tighten it without tools. To anchor a tether cable, simply place it in the channel that closely matches its diameter. Then screw the 1/4-20 male thread into any of the 1/4-20 female threads in the bottom of the Tethermate until snug. Let's now check out the Tethermate V-mount battery holder. The industry standard for professional batteries is the high-capacity V-mount style. They get their name because the mount is shaped like the letter V. They can power everything from cameras, to lights, to monitors, and even your digital tablet for hours at a time. Since the battery is bulky, and if not mounted to a camera or light fixture with an existing V-mount battery plate, a lot of time it's in the way and with limited real estate on a laptop platform like the Tethermate. Kupo has an elegant solution, the Tethermate V-mount battery holder. We'll mount our battery on a plate by placing the male V-mount adapter flush against the plate and pushing down firmly until it clicks in place. Now we'll slide the flange of the U-shaped bracket into one of the three mounting slots under the Tethermate. Plug the D-tap side of the cable into the D-tap socket on the side of the battery plate, and plug the USB-C side into your laptop to power it, and you are ready to go. The Tethermate isn't just an awesome product, it's an entire system dedicated to take your digital productions to the next level. If you're shooting tethered or just want to keep your power cable from pulling out, don't leave home without a data cable anchor port. If you're using V-mount batteries, free up some space by picking up a V-mount battery holder for your Tethermate today. Well, that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. When it comes to your image making dreams and your grip equipment, at Kupo, we like to say, never let go.